Hey guys, it's Liz with Mangat Copit Plastic Surgery and Skincare here. Today I just wanted to talk a little bit about biostimulating injectables. So these are one of my absolute favorite things to do in my practice. I think the trend in aesthetics is really moving more towards how can we age gracefully, how can we age naturally, how can we keep ourselves looking better longer or just kind of the same longer. And biostimulating or collagen stimulating injectables are absolutely the way to do that. So two of the most common ones I do are Sculptra and Hyperdilute Radiesse. And both of those work very similarly to basically stimulate collagen production in your body. So I kind of call them liquid fertilizers or liquid gold for your skin. They're not like a filler. The results are not instant. It's basically a liquid that goes under your skin and then your body absorbs it, and it takes about 6 months realistically before we start to see the results with those. But the results are very long lasting, very natural looking. They also, in addition to giving, volume like a traditional filler would, will help tighten up your skin, give your skin a nice overall glow. So I really do think that, Sculptra and Hyperdilute Radiesse should be on everybody's radar of things to do to just maintain, a natural appearance and how they look for longer.